Greetings, Love Posse. We're all going through an evolutionary process, both individually and collectively. From my experience, 21 plus years on this spiritual journey, I've learned that it takes time to evolve. There will be people who want to rush your evolutionary process. I understand that because with my family and friends, I'm always, come on now, we can, let's sit and work on this, let's evolve. And that's from a space of love, because I know that evolving takes time, that each of you will evolve on your own time. Honor that time. Go with the wave of life, knowing that if your intention is to evolve, to grow, and to expand, it will happen for you. Because life happens for us. I am a fire sign. I'm Sagittarius. So I'm curious about most everything, and I'm always adapting and changing to whatever situation, whatever is going on. I notice that I have this ability, that it's part of my DNA, part of my creation, that I'm on a fast track, even though it's been 21 years, to evolving, because I'm constantly asking the universe to help me to evolve. That's my contract, my soul contract. Do what is best for you. Know that we are being assisted in our evolutionary process by the universe, by our guides and angels, ascended masters and archangels, by our relationships. The pandemic is helping us to evolve. The positions of the planet, the energy on the planet right now is extremely intense because we are being assisted with our evolutionary process in an accelerated way. But I wanted you to know that it takes time to evolve. You don't have to rush it. You don't have to succumb to someone else wanting you to evolve. It's going to happen naturally. It's going to happen for you on your time, because we each have our own path. Nature will assist in your evolutionary process at a rate and speed that is meant for you, that is natural for you. So if you're on this path and you are anxious about, when will I become enlightened? When will I get there? Don't worry about that. It's happening. You're there. You're in the flow. It's on your time, not on anyone else's time. Evolution is a gradual process. As I mentioned, it's accelerated now because we human beings have mucked up the planet so much. The process of evolving is being sped up because we have to get there. Become conscious people, more of us becoming conscious people. So be gentle with yourself, be kind on this path, knowing that you will get there on your own time. Speaking of time, I want to thank you for your time, Love Posse, and for your support. I love you. The divine loves you. You are loved. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel, comment. Also, please support me on Facebook at Tyffany Howard. Check out my website at tiffanyhoward.com. It takes time to evolve, Love Posse. Hang in there. Stay present. Continue your spiritual practices. You will always be where you're meant to be. I love you. Namaste. Namaste.